As we get older, we struggle more with everyday things like getting up the stairs. But why should you struggle or feel limited in your own home? Here are 4 ways that you will benefit from an Acorn Stairlift. Firstly, and most importantly, you don't have to move out of your own home. In fact, having a stairlift fitted can help you retain your independence in your home. Secondly, having a stairlift can actually benefit your health, with less stress being put on you to consider nursing homes or having to worry about falling when struggling to use the stairs. Also, when you have a stairlift, you'll save energy, allowing you to do more. Once you recognise the need for a stairlift, then we can install it as soon as possible or even next day if required. Our expert installers can often have you up and running in less than an hour. Finally, you won't need any restructuring work to be carried out on your home. In fact, all our stairlifts are designed to be easily fitted straight to the staircase and cost very little to run. Having a stairlift is an efficient and simple solution for you in your home, with many more benefits than the few I've mentioned in this short video. If you want to find out more about the benefits of having a stairlift in your home, or how Acorn Stairlifts can help you, then give us a call. We're happy to help.